Okay, I'm gonna show you how to reset the maintenance light. My car has a check engine light, so this will not reset the check engine light, but for maintenance light, I figure out how to do this. So I'm gonna press the phone button and then the OK button and hold at the same time until you see the Assist Plus. Have you look at the screen here. By the way, this is for 2014 GL 550. Okay, I'm pressing the phone. Okay, well, see this always happens, so you can keep doing it. So phone, OK key, keep holding it. Okay, there you go. So now go down to Assist Plus, full service. Okay, and then scroll down to full service. See when you do the oil change and things like that. Okay, confirm. So it won't do it for me because I have a check engine light. So I'm going to do a confirm. So you say it cannot carry it out just because I have a check engine light. But if it's a regular, you know, maintenance service and things like that, that should have worked. Okie doke.